Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Hi ATS friends, let's talk about Shipping Corporation of India, Maritime Training Institute. Let's move ahead. So SCI is a shipping company, major stakeholders are Government of India itself. They have got their own ships. 1988 में they opened this SCI MTI in Powai, मुंबई के अंदर है, सेंटर ऑफ मुंबई में क्लासी जगह पे. I have been there, conducted a seminar as well. So let's move ahead and talk about the ETO thing at SCI. So all those people, those who get into SCI college, वो अपना ETO course SCI MTI में करेंगे and then they will join Shipping Corporation of India, right? So now batch size is 40 cadets in a year, pre-C training is 4 months, fees is 4.1 lakhs for boys and 3.8 lakhs for girls. Let's move ahead. Eligibility criteria, past 3 years of diploma course with 60% marks. Okay, यहाँ पर भी diploma के students ले जाते हैं. और 4 years degree course with 50% marks or lateral into degree course after completion of diploma with 50% marks in any one of the engineering branches such as electrical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics and telecommunication, communication engineering or electronics and instrumentation engineering or equivalent. If the learning medium of the engineering diploma engineering degree of candidates is not in English, then the candidate must have obtained 50% marks in English subject either in 10th or 12th standard exams. Simple yaar. This has been taken from the website itself. आगे बढ़ते हैं. If you have got any query, you can WhatsApp us. We'll help you. The maximum age limit as compared to other shipping companies over is 30 years as of the commencement of the course. Maximum age relaxation of 5 years is applicable for SC and ST candidates. Maximum 3 years relaxation is applicable for OBC candidates and 2 years for female candidates as per the directives of Government of India. Medical standards, no color blindness, 6/6 in both the eyes. Best you can go up to 6/12 in both the eyes. Worst is 6/9 in one eye and 6/18 in the other eye. Copies, guys. How to apply? Candidates need to apply online by visiting the official website of SCMTI. Link is given in the description box. तो वहाँ पर आप जाके देख सकते हैं. और I will give another idea where you can find the link. After successful submission of the online application form, take print out of application form. It is required at the time of document verification before interview is applicable. So that means you'll be called for interview to Mumbai. Copied appear for online examination, clear online examination, clear the psychometric test. Go for interview, clear the interview, clear that, go for your medical test by a DG approved doctor. उसके बाद हो गया. Get a selection letter. Go ahead, pays the fees and Jai Mata Di. So this is it, guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is important, guys. So if you want any details about SCI and you're confused, go to the college portal of Merchant Navy Decoded website. आगे बढ़ो. Go to the ETO section. Click on the highly recommended में नीचे SCI MTI is there. Click over here. And you'll find all the important things about SCI MTI that you need to know. Overview, eligibility criteria, fees, registration process, syllabus, placement records, and we keep updating this thing. So you want to know the registration process, go over here, you'll find the link, apply. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Copy it, guys. And another thing is reviews over. Right now you cannot see any review because there is just one review which has been posted by us. But very soon we are looking into the aspect where we'll getting more college students to post their reviews over here so that the students can get help and move forward. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you like the video. If you have got any query, WhatsApp at this number or email at this number. Just one thing before leaving, and that is the thing that you have to be concerned about is how much is the waiting period and how much is the salary at ETO. So that is what I want the reviews to say. Being an Indian shipping company, the salary at SCI, Great Eastern or in Seven Islands will be lesser as compared to companies like Anglo or if you are going to Torani Maritime Institute. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.